A couple of hours later, I was like, I'm still going to go to the gym. I want to go to the gym today. Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. But yeah guys, I'm getting ready to go to the gym. It is raining outside, and I actually was supposed to go early this morning when the gym first opened up. However, I didn't get much sleep last night. By the time it was time for me to get up to go to the gym, I had set my alarm to 5 o'clock. I had just fell asleep good. It's a couple of hours later, I was like, I'm still going to go to the gym. I want to go to the gym today, and I want to go ahead and go in the morning and get it over with, and then that way I can have the rest of the day to do whatever I need to do things at home, just do stuff for Dionne. Guys, I didn't even bring my Fitbit or my waist train. I do have a bottle of water. I do have my earbuds, and I do have another shirt to change into once I'm done.
You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have.
Okay. And mine says, a smile is a curve that sets everything straight. And he had sent me something to listen to the other day, and I listened to it, and I texted him something about a smile. what was it? I forgot what it was, but yeah. So that lets us know that I need to smile more and be more creative.
Be more creative, smile more. That's what I'm talking about.
Smile more.
Just got done working out.
And we getting ready to get in the car, and he don't know this yet, but we getting ready to film car talk right quick.
No.
Yes.